Welcome to our channel, LinguaTune. Learn and have fun with Teacher Sally and Teacher Saul. Today's topic is about alphabets. Alphabets Part 2. Letter I. Ice. Insects. Letter I. This is letter I. Letter J. Jelly. Jar. Letter J. This is letter J. Letter K. King. Kite. K. This is letter K. Letter L. Lemon. Leaf. This is letter L. Letter M. Mouse. Mango. This is letter M. Letter N. Necklace. Nest. This is letter N. Letter O. Oak tree. Octopus. This is letter O. Letter P. Popcorn. Pillow. This is letter P. Letter Q. Queen. Quiet. This is letter Q. That's it for now. Please don't forget to watch the last part of this video. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.